Welcome to the Nifty Chicks. As promised, I'm going to do a quick update walkthrough on how to get into the Cuvée Collective with your Dapper Wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm already logged in to my Cuvée Collective account. It's super easy. It's just your email and a password, and then you just need to confirm with your email. So then the next thing you're going to do is access their presale. And so you click the big purple button and it takes you to the marketplace. So here's to buy the collective NFT 2022. Click purchase. Okay, so here you go. I've got the welcome to Dapper, your easiest and most secure way to manage all of your NFTs. I'm going to sign up with the Nifty Chicks email. So that is chat@theniftychicks.io. I create a password for this. And we're going to sign up with email. Okay, there we go. I'm going to save that to our LastPass. So it doesn't look like I have a balance in here, so you would need to add funds. So let's just say we want to add $200 because the NFT costs about $170, I think $180. So basically you need to add funds to your balance. You've got to agree to their terms, and then you add funds, and then it will allow you to either do that via a debit or credit card, or you can do it with Ethereum, Bitcoin, BCH, DAI, or USDC. So then just either put in your credit card information or cancel purchase. It's as easy as that. I'm not going to go ahead and put money on there because I don't want to at the moment, but this is where you're going to be able to see what your account is. So you can see my account here is good_natured_lettuce 804, and it's connected to my email account. So super easy to do. You can see that just took me a few minutes to get done, and there you have it. So go set up your Dapper Wallet and go get entered to win the Cuvée Collective NFT.
Please listen carefully to the following disclaimer. Neither the host nor the guests of the Nifty Chicks podcast are acting in the capacity of financial advisors. We wish to remain transparent and impartial to the NFT community at all times, and therefore, the content provided by the Nifty Chicks hosts and guests are intended for general information purposes only. Nothing written or discussed by the Nifty Chicks hosts and guests should be construed or relied upon as investment, financial, legal, regulatory, accounting, tax, or similar advice. Nothing should be interpreted as a solicitation to invest in any cryptocurrency or NFT, and nothing herein should be construed as a recommendation to engage in any investment strategy or transaction. Please be advised that it is in your own best interest to consult with investment, legal, tax, or similar professionals regarding any specific situation and any prospective transaction decisions. You must do your own research when considering investing in cryptocurrencies or NFTs. We are simply sharing our journey with you as we learn more about the world of NFTs. Happy minting.